Hi everybody, and welcome to my 2022 planner and journal unboxing and reveal and share. So as you can see, I got my items this year from Yoseka Stationery. There's a bunch of different reasons why, but mainly because their prices and their shipping are just unbeatable. I have noticed that their prices are typically much cheaper. I'm talking like close to $5 cheaper sometimes for a single item than anywhere else. And I have a big family and a small budget for my personal things. So anywhere I can save money, I'm about that. And their shipping is super quick. Daisy and Neil just had a baby, so I love supporting another mom. And I just love shopping with Yoseka. I love seeing their Instagram stories and I just love supporting them. So let's go ahead and pull everything out. So if you've been following me for a while, you know what my typical style and journal planner size is. But this year I have changed it up completely and I'm about to wow you guys. So first of all, I always love the handwritten notes that I get when I order from Yoseka, and this time I got 2 of their new stickers, which the colors are not lost on me. Daisy and Neil, I see you. I see what you're doing. And I'm gonna go right into that right now. I picked up the 2022 writing boards from the Traveler's Factory. I get these every year. I've gotten them every year since 2015 when I started using Traveler's notebooks, and now it's just become like a thing. It's a collection. I have to do it now, and I love the theme this year. The theme this year is cinema. And I am a movie lover. I love the movies. My dad exposed us to every kind of movie genre, and we are big movie buffs in our family. We're constantly quoting movies, and we love going to the movie house, and I'm instilling that into my children now. But I got them both for Passport and Standard, and if you can recognize that the colors of the stickers are the same as the colors on the writing boards. So I see you, Daisy and Neil. I see what you're doing. Okay, first up, big shock, okay? You guys know I am a standard size Traveler's Notebook girl when I'm using them. I don't mess around with Passport very much, but for 2022, I am downsizing everything, and I have decided to go with the Passport size, sorry about that, weekly notebooks. I love these. I've used them every year since 2015, and this year I am doing Passport size. So this is what it looks like on the inside. Basically, the biggest difference is that I'm not going to have a huge writing space on the right hand side. I am sharing the weekly spread on both, which is totally fine for me. I have never done this before, but I'm very much looking forward to it. So inside the little package here, you get the 2022 guide with the 2022 stickers. I love the Passport size stickers every year. I usually get the monthly Passport size insert and never really use it, but I love the stickers. So I'm very excited about that. And then here is the guide. It kind of gives you an idea of their theme and sort of why they went with this theme, which is really interesting if you wanted to pause that and give it a read. But I guess I'll give you a peek into how I use this particular insert. So this is the one I'm using now, and this is the insert basically that I just use to quickly write down what we did that week. Just highlights, and then I like to decorate, obviously. Nothing serious, nothing major. This is more of like a play insert for me. I just have fun and get creative in this insert. But it's a very simple process. I'm just writing down the highlights where if I need to quickly go back and refer to something, I can quickly do it. And that's the whole point of this system for me. There's a huge rain cloud coming. It's literally black outside my window. So that is that one. And the next biggest change. I'm just scooting right through this, you guys. I'm going into the A6 size system. I've never done A6 size, but this is where I'm going. I am downsizing from A5 down to A6, and I'm going to be using the MD Midori notebook. This is going to have my monthly pages in the front, which I'm not going to be having in here. This is where I can write things that I'm doing, quickly refer to them at a glance, and then I'm going to have a weekly spread on this side. Haven't totally figured myself out for this yet. I don't know if this is where my journaling is going to go, or highlights, or planning for appointments, or forward planning, or anything like that. Haven't super figured that out yet. I just know that I cannot maintain A5 anymore. So this may very well become my personal journal, and I may not be journaling every single day anymore. This may become a different process for me. We'll see. I don't know, but A6 is where it's at for me this year. Another A6 size notebook that I have, I believe it's A6. Maybe it's slightly smaller. I just got this notebook in from the November stationery selection box. And this is also another very interesting planner system. Another item in the November box is this little pocket thing, but it has a interesting monthly layout. So it's not used this way. The system is used this way. And then here is the main writing. So this insert may very well become a personal journal of sorts, or maybe I'll use both. Maybe in an effort to, I don't know. I just need to simplify. I don't know. I don't really know what I'm doing. I just know that I cannot maintain A5 sizes anymore. Gosh, you can see the color difference of that paper, can't you? Between the MD cream paper and then this really nice paper. They're both equally, well, actually this one's probably smoother. They're both very nice, but there is a big color difference there. I don't know. I don't know. I just know that I couldn't maintain A5 anymore, and so I'm downsizing, and I'm going to be redoing my journal plans, my ideas. I'm just redoing everything, and I am physically downsizing to these smaller inserts. So there you have it. There's not much to it. I still haven't got myself quite figured out yet, but there it is. I'm hoping that I can maintain this. If I can't, obviously you guys will be the first to know, because I do all of my journaling videos right here on this channel, and I want to make sure that you guys are continually inspired, and I'm using my supplies in a fun and interesting way. So we'll see how this goes. I don't know. But I know I'm going to have fun, and I'm super excited about this. So now I just need to go find some covers and maybe buy a new passport size journal. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. I know I need an A6 size for sure for that one, but I've got a couple passport covers that I could use, but I don't know. New year, new notebook. We'll see. Anyway, that's going to be it for me. Thank you so much for hanging out. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned to see how this actually ends up, because we all know me and my follow through with things. This is a big change. I don't like change, so we're going to see how this goes. But I will catch you guys later. Thank you so much for hanging out, and stay tuned.